3-bedroom hall kitchen villa is what we are showing you today in Karjat area. We are in Jamrung village at the foothills of Sahyadri Hills. The land parcel is of around 8 acres. It's a gated community of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom hall kitchen villas. The best part is that you have connectivity less than 100 kilometers from Mumbai International Airport. Plus you have multiple options over here with an amazing open space as well. Let's have a look at the villas. As you enter, this is your car parking space. You have enough car parking over here. Coming to the living area, you see the very nice living area over here. The main entrance is on that side. From here also you can enter. From that side, the car parking also you can enter over here. The dining area as well. You see amazing nice 6-seater dining area. Now coming to the kitchen, you see a huge kitchen. Nowadays you don't find. In case if you don't want such a huge kitchen, you can convert this in a 4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment as well. Coming to the first bedroom, which has a washroom attached. Here is the space for washing machine in case if at all you want to. Now let's have a look at the first floor. Coming to the first floor now, it has 2 bedrooms and the main USP of this flat. But before I show you the USP, I would like you to like, share and subscribe Jishnu Realtors on Insta and YouTube. This is the second bedroom. It has a washroom attached to it. And yes, it has a lovely beautiful balcony as well, so that you can see the mesmerizing view from this balcony as well. This is the second bedroom and it's a running balcony. We can easily put the third bedroom from here as well in the balcony itself. Now I am here in the third bedroom. As you can see, that's the washroom attached to it. All the 3 bedrooms are having washroom attached to it. And now showing you the main USP of this flat. Come, have a look at it. As I said earlier, we are at the foothills of Sahyadri Hills. You see the amazing mesmerizing view of this Sahyadri Hills. Lovely view, isn't it? Very rarely you find this type of view. Another point which I would like to highlight is that the developer has planned 50% open space so that the villas are not next to each other. There is enough space in between, which makes it more attractive and a valuable proposition. I repeat once again, we are in Jamrung village in Karjat. You have multiple options of 2, 3 and 4 BHK villas. You have lots of amenities over here. To know the pricing, carpet area and details, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors.